Hello and welcome to video number 3 about using natural therapy to recover from chronic fatigue syndrome. This video is about unrefreshing sleep. Here's what you're learning today. Detecting and understanding your sleep patterns, learning about your sleep quality, and learning how to improve each phase of your sleep to allow repair and make you feel refreshed in the morning. Here's why this is important. Sleep is essential to chronic fatigue syndrome as it is the only true repairer of body's energy. How sleep can restore the body? Sleep can take many patterns. Which one is yours? The interruption in sleep, the physiological activities occurring during sleep, and the type of dreams are key to understand what your sleep needs. And to conclude, mindfulness has an important role when working to recover your good sleep. Here is how this video will help you to assess your sleep patterns so you can understand what issues you are experiencing in your body. To make the right connections so you can bring sleep back to its powers. To learn which herbs medicinal action could be used so you can create drowsiness when needed, improve depth and quality of sleep, avoid digestive issues or the usual overthinking that interrupts your sleep. Point number 1, the sleep patterns. A sleep assessment is key. Have you got problems falling asleep or continuing sleep or with the quality of sleep? Digestive, nervous, immune issues can affect the sleep patterns. You can wake up because of digestive issues or because you are tense or because your immune system is overworking. Lifestyle patterns are also important to ensure good sleep. For example, when do you turn off the lights? Are you turning off your devices? What's the last thing you do before going to bed? Do you create your bedtime space? Herbal medicine can correct wrong sleep patterns, supporting the necessary bodily function for happily falling asleep or for continuing sleep. Point number 2, the power of sleep. Sleep is the moment when the physical body gets healed. It is as if the organism during sleep realigns itself with the cosmos and its rhythms. In sleep, we perform detoxification, nourishment, repair, and immune protection activities. These actions can regenerate the body, but also, if in excess or imbalance, may disturb sleep while consuming too much of the body's energies. How do you treat your sleep? Well, powerful herbal formulas can make you sleep by relaxing your mind, relieving or reducing pains, promoting subtle nourishment and digestive actions, or promoting detoxification, supporting it so it's not that strong that it can wake you up. By supporting those actions, you can adjust and correct wrong sleep patterns. Correct lifestyle routines are essential to ensure peaceful sleep. Turning off devices, like before 10 a.m., creating your bedtime space. As I said before, these are very important treatments as well. Mindfulness is also an important role to allow your spiritual forces to help the healing and not over fatigue at night the workings of your physical body. So practices like meditation could really help to bring you at the right place when you're about to go to sleep. I will recommend to look for the work of Rudolf Steiner in the evening exercises to help you with patterns that can make you really relax and go back to sleep easily. So why using natural therapy in chronic fatigue syndrome and in the case in treating sleep? This therapy is built on a simple and gentle series of actions that will never harm your body. It is designed to seamlessly support, stimulate, and nourish your body to fully recover its function. It is based on 3,000 years of therapeutic tradition of using herbal medicine and assessing people's health through holistic assessment. It is directly taken from nature and it is applied to your body, understanding and following the pattern of the body's natural development and maintenance of health. So what do we do in the chronic fatigue syndrome natural therapy program? We based our programming on 3 principles: holistic assessment of your energetic status and tissue state, custom high quality herbal formulas, and on a continuous weekly contact with the practitioner. The program will start with an exclusive appointment consisting of almost 2 hours of full attention to your issues, analysis, follow up by the necessary investigation and research. Through a detailed questionnaire and extensive one-to-one conversation about your symptoms, you will be able to share with the practitioner the exact details of your medical history and of your health condition so that you can receive the best natural treatment strategy. The assessment is realized with pulse and tongue evaluation, functional interpretation of your blood test, iridology, which is the study of the patterns in the iris of your eye, standard clinical assessment, so that you can learn the details of your constitution and its energetic patterns and how to rebalance them. You will be given a full report on your well being and issued with a protocol plan to follow for the upcoming weeks. And as soon as the consultation and the research is over, you will be sent the first batch of herbs for the first month of treatment. The herbs that we use are sourced from certified producers, organic, and biodynamically grown in the UK, so you can be assured of the best quality, potency, and effectiveness of the herbs. Herbs can be applied in many forms, externally, internally, with oils and creams, or simply drunk as a tea, tincture, or eaten with foods. So you should not worry about being able to take them. The herbal formulas can be changed, adjusted, enriched, simplified after each monthly review of your progress with the practitioner. That is to ensure you can flexibly adjust and better support the development of your recovery. The formulas are reviewed and renewed each month and sent directly to your home, so you don't have any need to travel back and forth to and from anywhere. One key aspect is the continuously weekly contact with the practitioner. Through regular monthly appointment in person or online, over the 3 month course of the program, you can deeply and regularly discuss eventual changes and not being left wondering on what to do if something is not going as expected. On top of that, you will be given access to a dedicated clinical app, so you can constantly, weekly be in touch with the practitioner, communicate your efforts, frustration, successes, so that you can get supported throughout. There is no other program that will give you the simplicity, effectiveness, and gentleness of action of using herbal medicine and natural dietary protocol. Neither they will give you the certainty of cleaning your body from toxins for sure. No other program will give you the regular support with structured meeting and assessment monthly and unstructured communication weekly via app messages and journals. Neither the ability to receive your natural remedies tailored to your needs directly to your home address. So book your free 45 minutes exploratory call today by clicking the link below. It is worth discovering more about it. In the call, I will ask you detailed questions about your medical history and current situation to understand better the health problems you are experiencing. Then, if you would like me to, I will tell you exactly how I work. If we both see we are a good fit for each other, we could start working together. So I hope this video was useful. Thank you and talk soon.